Hello, and in this video I'm going to give you 5 reasons you should not buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So you're thinking about buying the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Well, in this video I'm going to give you 5 reasons to not buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, but keep in mind I am going to be bringing out a video following this 5 reasons to buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So keep subscribed for that one. But for now, let's get into it. Now the first reason you should not buy a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is it's big. I mean, it's very big. Like, sometimes even depending on the pants I'm wearing, if I go to put this in my pocket, it'll actually stick out of my pants a bit. It's quite big. And don't get me wrong, I'm a fan of big phones, but a lot of people aren't. A lot of people, they say an iPhone 5 is about as big as they'll go. Now let me compare size here. That's quite a difference. This is one very big phone. Obviously it does have its advantages, however that's not for this video. My second reason not to buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is the speaker. The speaker. This is an expensive phone and it only has one speaker, which you can practically cover up and put it on mute just by putting your finger over the speaker. And it's not the greatest sounding speaker either. You've got this big display that you probably want to use for videos and YouTube and Netflix and stuff, right? You want to watch some video. You need good audio quality. But yet, with one of the most expensive phones on the market, you don't even get dual, even side-facing speakers. Personally, at this price, I think you should get dual front-facing speakers. My third reason not to buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is the iris scanner and facial recognition. It's just not as good as some of the competition out there, aka Apple and Face ID. Now I know I'm probably going to cop a bit of flack from that. There's a lot of debate between the two, but Samsung's face recognition and iris scanner just doesn't seem to be as reliable as Apple's. You can't necessarily use the facial recognition with most sunglasses and things on. It just won't work. Sometimes in the dark it doesn't work. And in fact, I think I'm going to do a video on this, my own video on this, just to test it all out for you on this channel. There are also people that have found that you can fool the facial recognition with a photo. Don't get me wrong, for some people it doesn't work, and maybe they don't have as flat a face as some people, where it does work. But right now, at the time of filming, it doesn't seem to be fixed. But there are people that have made it work, and that should raise concerns for you. To probably not use facial recognition. Now you can use the iris scanner, which is probably a little bit more secure. However, people have found that when using the iris scanner on Samsungs, your eyes begin to hurt. And if it's causing pain to your eyes, it's probably not doing much good for you. So I probably wouldn't use it. Which brings me on to the fourth issue, is design flaws. And let me tell you exactly what I mean by that. If you're not going to be using face recognition and iris scanner, then of course you'll use either the passcode, which is annoying and time consuming, which I hate using, and if you're using the fingerprint sensor, you can't necessarily reach it in the position you normally hold your phone. And then if you do move your hand up like this to be able to get to it, you can be confused where the fingerprint sensor. Oh, is that the fingerprint sensor there? Oh no, I'm just smudging my camera, so I have to clean it every time I use it. Oh wait, there's a fingerprint sensor there. If I hold my phone in the normal position, I hold my phone, I can't quite get to the power button. Power button's here. And then obviously I can get to the Bixby button, but then the volume buttons are a little bit difficult to reach also in that position. So again, design flaws that I don't like at all. The phone you use every day can't be cumbersome to use, and I don't like holding my phone up like this. Now the fifth and last reason you shouldn't buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and that is it's expensive. In Australia here, to buy a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 outright, it's about $1,400. It is one of the most expensive phones on the market right now. And you have to think, is it worth it for you? Are you going to use all the features in this that put the price up like that? For example, you can buy a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, which is nearly the same phone for over $300 less in Australia. And what do you lose? Well, you lose your stylus and the dual rear-facing camera. On the S8 Plus, it just has a single rear-facing camera. They're the main differences, and you're paying over $300 more. But anyway, they're my 5 reasons you shouldn't buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. However, as I said at the start of the video, these are just the things I don't like about the phone. There's obviously a lot to love about the phone, and I will make a video on why you should buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 very, very soon. So keep subscribed to the channel, or subscribe if you haven't already. Check out some of my other videos around here. There'll be a lot of good videos coming out soon, and please hit that like button if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye!